So if you're at the job site and you have a Dewalt battery and actually a system, it's good to have this converter for Ryobi, because a lot of job sites and a lot of people now have Ryobi too. And when you have a Ryobi product and you don't have a battery with it, you could always convert the Dewalt battery, I'm going to show you guys, to a Ryobi. And what you do is you just convert it here, pop it in place. You guys can see, pop it in place, on and off. Great converter. And not only that, it works for a lot of the products. It works for every product that Ryobi makes because it's all the batteries. And we're using a Dewalt battery. It's a converter. You could charge your phones here. And I'm going to show you how to charge your phones and other products. It's USB Type A and Type C. Alright, so the way it works, if you guys can see, I have my battery here and I connected Type A to Type C, and we're gonna go ahead and plug in our phone here. Let's plug in our phone. We plug in our phone, it starts charging. So right now it's charging. If you guys can see, it says 84% and it's using the adapter. And you could use your phone charger, your regular phone, and like I say, it has a Type C and a Type A to charge your phone, and also great converter for Ryobi. So you can use this for Ryobi equipment. If you don't forget your battery at the job site and you carry a converter and people have Dewalt, you can still use your item for it. Great converter, easy to use. Hope you guys enjoy the video.